Good evening everybody, I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 6th and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir is still down today, so we are down 22 cents, 1.3%. We closed at 16.74. Post-market, we are up 3 cents. We have a red candle here, and we went quite down during the day. We went as low as 16.06, then came back up a little bit towards the end. So we have a longer wick here at the bottom, so we see a little bit more buying pressure than selling pressure, but still the stock closed lower. So it is a red candle. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. This is what happened. This is the first hour of the day. So we opened lower than where we closed yesterday, came back up, tried to go back up to 17.13 and could not sustain it and came back down to, as I mentioned, 16.06, and then we settled pretty much in the middle. Then green candle, then we touched this, almost touched this 17.13, and then basically went sideways. And while this was happening, stochastic is at 31, so stochastic was not at 60, so this little green candle did not work out, and this third candle also did not work out. So we need to have stochastic at 60 at least to see some movement up. Let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, in terms of indicators, so everything is pretty much ugly and disgusting, and even MACD had crossed over bullish, but now it just crossed over bearish today. So this should be red. So nothing great for Palantir in sight. There's no recovery in sight. So what does that leave us to? It leaves us to, let me tell you what's this floor, 1442. So 1442 as a support is a possibility. It's a possibility. It would be sad, but it's a possibility. And another floor, another important floor is this one here. So 1103, but 1103. 1103. So this is red. This is green. Whoops. This is green. This is where. This is green. And we should not forget this guy here. This guy here is also a possibility. If we go back down super fast, then we might hit this descending support before we hit this $11 support. So Palantir is just dropping. It's still in this downward channel, and it's continuing in this downward channel, and there's no end in sight. It does not mean that it cannot happen, but I practice the trend following technical analysis, so I like to see a change in trend before I think that the stock is reversing. So thank you very much for watching. Tomorrow I'm going to do my special request video. The special request video, anybody can watch it, but only my members can suggest the stock for me to look at, besides Tesla and Palantir, of course. If you want to suggest a stock, go back to my special request video of January 4th and then give me one stock that you would like me to check. I don't have time to check 15 stocks per person, so I think that one stock per person is fair. So go there, and I'm going to do this video, this extra video tomorrow. So I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.